Lakshmi of grade 8 to have the immense pleasure to host today's prayer. Tamil Thaiyvarthu. The loveliest masterpiece of the heart of the goddess is the love of us upon us. Let me invite all my friends for the Tamil Thaiyvarthu.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செய்ய மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
School prayer. Every great moment of God can be traced to a kneeling figure. Let's all get connected by this wonderful wireless connected prayer. Let me have the pleasure of inviting Kritikshan to deliver our school prayer.
Dear God, we pray for a bright day, to have fun with our lessons and play. We ask for wisdom as we explore and explore some. We pray for knowledge as we go through each page. We ask to grow strong and wise as we study and play and win every day. And ask to tender care, yes, on our parents, friends, and our caretakers.
Thank you, friend. Inspirational quotes. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Yes, friends. Here comes my friend Varun Winston for the quotes.
Good morning. I am Varun. The best brains of our nation may be found on the last benches of our classroom. Don't take rest after your first victory. If you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. All the one do not have equal talents, but all the one have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear friend. Tamil Paramuri Kadai. Proverbs become popular because people use them to connect with other people and the wisdom of the past. And in our life, that wisdom is usually used to motivate others. Now I call upon my friend Ralston for a proverb and a story based on it.
வணக்கம், நான் ரால்ஸ்டன். நான் இப்பொழுது காற்றுள்ள போதை தூச்சிக்கொள் என்ற பழமொழியை மைய கருத்தாக வைத்து ஒரு சிறுகதை கூற போகிறேன். ஒரு கிராமத்தில் ரகுவரன் என்ற சிறுவன் வாழ்ந்து வந்தான். அவனுக்கு வண்ண காகிதத்தை கொண்டு சின்ன சின்னதாய் குருவி, கிளி, வாத்து, மயில் என பொம்மையை செய்வதில் மிகுந்த ஆர்வம் கொண்டவன் ரகுவரன். அப்படி ஒரு நாள் வழக்கம் போல காகித பொம்மைகளை செய்து கொண்டிருந்தான். அவ்வேளையில் அவனது தந்தை வீட்டிற்குள் வர ரகுவரன் கத்தியும் தாளமாக உட்கார்ந்திருப்பதை கண்டு அவனது தந்தைக்கு கோபம் தலைக்கு ஏறிட, படிடா என்றால் படிக்க மாட்டேன் என்கிறாய், எப்ப பார் இந்த கிளியும் வாத்தையும் செய்து வீடு முழுக்க குப்பையாக்கிறதுதான் உனது வேலையாடா, இதனால ஒரு பைசாவுக்கு பிரோஜனம் உண்டா, இப்படியே இருந்த எப்படிடா நீ பொழைக்க போற, நல்லா படிக்கணும், நல்லா வேலைக்கு வரணும்னு கொஞ்சம் கூட நினைப்பே வராதா என்று சொல்லி ரகுவரன் முதுகில் இருந்து அடி போட்டு அவன் செய்து வைத்திருந்த பொம்மைகளை எல்லாம் காலால் எட்டி உதைத்தார். ரகுவரனுக்கு மிகுந்த வருத்தம் உண்டாயிற்று. அதனை அவன் அறிந்த அவனது அம்மா மேகலா அவனை சமாதானப்படுத்தி அந்த காகித பொம்மைகளை சரிப்படுத்தி கொடுத்தார். அந்த நிமிடத்திலிருந்தே ரகுவரன் மனதில் ஒரு வைராக்கியம் துளிர்விட்டது. இந்த பொம்மைகளை வைத்தே ஏதாவது சாதிக்க வேண்டும் என்ற எண்ணம் ஏற்பட்டது. அதற்கு அவன் அம்மா உறுதுணையாக இருந்தான். ஆண்டுகள் சில கடந்து போகின, உருண்டோடின. புதுமையான ஓவிய கண்காட்சி காண சென்னையில் நீண்ட வரிசையில் மக்கள் கூட்டம் கடல் அலையென திரண்டு வந்தது. அனைவரும் ரகுவரனுடன் அவனது பெற்றோரையும் பாராட்டினர். அதை கேட்டு தந்தை மனம் வருந்தியது. தன் தவறை உணர்ந்தார். தந்தையின் அருகில் வந்த ரகு தனது வெற்றிக்கு எனது அப்பாவும் அம்மாவும் தான் காரணம் என்று பேட்டி கொடுத்தார். ஒரு குழந்தையின் வெற்றிக்கு படிப்பு மட்டும் காரணம் அல்ல, விரும்பும் துறையில் அவர்களை ஊக்கப்படுத்தினால் சாதனையாளர்களாகின்றன என்றார் வரதாசன். எனவே நாமும் எத்துறையில் ஆர்வமும் விருப்பமும் உள்ளதோ அத்துறையில் முனைப்புடன் செயல்பட்டால் சாதனையாளர்களாக திகழலாம் என்பதை உறுதிப்பட கூறி மீண்டும் ஒரு முறை காற்றுள்ள போதை தூச்சிக்கொள் என்பதை கூறி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Superb explanation. Thank you, friend. Tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are a great way to practice and improve pronunciation and fluency. They can also help to improve accents by using alliteration, which is one of the repetition of 1 second. Here comes Shivani for the tongue twister.
Hi friends, good morning to all. I am Shivani Shri. Today I am going to tell tongue twister. Sick, hick picks, sick slick, bricks with picks and sticks. I will repeat it. Sick, hick pick, sick slick, brick with picks and sticks. Number 2. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? I will repeat it. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? Thank you.
Wow, wonderful, friend. Amazing facts about fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables contain important vitamins and minerals and plant chemicals. They also contain fiber. A diet high in fruit and vegetable can help and protect us against cancer, diabetes and heart disease. Eat 5 kinds of vegetables and 2 kinds of fruits every day for good health. I call upon Selvapriya, Muhil Arshini and Muhil Darshini for the amazing facts.
Good morning. Do you know who am I? I'm spinach. If you eat me, you will be getting all these vitamins. Yes, spinach is an excellent source of vitamin A, C, K and folate, as well as being a good source of manganese, magnesium, iron and vitamin B2. Dear friends, I'll ask you one question. Is it good to eat spinach every day? Yes, it's okay to eat spinach every day. This will help in reducing the risk of high blood sugar and cancer. Although it's safe for most people to be eat a spinach every day, people should be careful while eating a excess of spinach every day. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. This is Esmigit Harshini from grade 8. I am here to enact the topic of interesting facts about Goa. Goa is one of the richest sources of dietary fiber. Besides immunity, Goa do wonders to your skin and promotes fertility. Goa also helps in reflecting metamorphism, which leads to weight loss. In an area of 2.03 lakh hectares are being used for Goa production in Allahabad, followed by Punjab, Lucknow and Maharashtra. The benefits of Goa may help in low blood sugar. It may help you in boost your heart health. It may help you in relieve painful symptoms of menstruation. It may help you in the benefit your digestive system. It may help you in aid weight loss. Thank you. Have a majestic Monday. I am Esmugil Darshini. Today I am going to give you some interesting facts about orange. Oranges are citrus fruits that are hybrid of pollamo and mandarin. The oranges are very good source of vitamins, especially vitamin C. The sweet orange is the kind that we eat most often today. But in Asia, there are more oranges grown in many parts of the world. The oranges has a tough, shiny orange skin. in the usually there are 10 to 15 usually there are 10 to 15 segments in the orange, but there are more, and the orange is called the oranges of the seeds called pips. Thank you. Have a marvelous Monday.
Here comes Anas Rahman to demonstrate a small interesting science activity.
My name is Anisa Rahman from class 7, and today we are going to do an experiment on perfume with the reaction of perfume and fire. The materials required for this experiment is a bottle, a perfume, a matchsticks. Now we have to take the bottle, the cap from the bottle, and then put a small hole on the tip. Now we have to put some perfume inside this bottle. Now we have to take the lid and then close the bottle. Now we have to lit the bottle on fire. The reason behind this is because perfume is an alcohol material. When fire is near the alcohol gives out water and carbon dioxide. This air, when interact with fire, will go out, so the bottle goes forward. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Anas. Address by the principal. Let us lend our ears to the address of our pleasing principal.
Good morning and welcome back, children, to the second week of February. Happy to see you all. Children, I'd like to give you one word of advice, especially for those who have been irregular in attendance during the online sessions. Ensure that you're present. The February month assessment has been released. We expect all of you to take up the sessions seriously. Teachers are trying to give you revision. So attend your sessions. Ensure that you complete your classworks and your homeworks on time. And that will keep you, well prepared, and make sure that you're preparing every day whatever portions teachers are giving you. And with regard to your learning itself, I'd like to talk once again in continuation of what I've spoken last week, learning outcomes. And specifically today, I would like to concentrate on learning outcomes in mathematics. Well, I'd like to pose again a few questions to you. Have you learned the connection between life, daily life, and mathematical thinking? Have you been able to improve your operations in maths, especially addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions? Have you been able to understand, simple patterns and shapes, and how have you related that to daily activities? You ask these questions to yourself. Have you been able to understand, fractions, and how effectively have you been able to work on fractions? Have you been able to understand integers? And to what extent have you strengthened yourself in integers? Ask all these questions. You will come to know to what extent you have achieved. My only desire is that you achieve all these learning outcomes. I'm not limiting the learning outcomes of mathematics only to what I have stated. There are so much that you have to learn in mathematics, and you have to achieve a lot more learning outcomes. These are just basics that you need to achieve. And I want all of you to ensure that these basics you should have achieved, and you should have moved on effectively. And I want you to see successful in the subject of maths and take it with interest, and never think maths as something that is actually difficult. Maths is very easy provided you have interest in maths. And may you all be able to achieve the desired learning outcome. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech. National Anthem. Let's pay our gratitude to our motherland.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे